Hey. What? Oh, shoot. I was gonna go backwards, but hey. What's up, y'all? Well, dang it, I was gonna go the other direction, but oh well. Missed that. Still wouldn't have hit the target just quite yet, but maybe. Escaped that one for practically no money, but that's okay. I don't know. If I had actually set up the stop limit order, it would have had to have been here. I guess I would have gone for a retest, but did it even retest that? Probably not. Ugh. Look at that. Nicely pulled out a consolidation. This stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended. Okay, what does that mean? I recommend 4,500. I don't know what that means. But, alright, well, learning to stream stuff today. So, we'll see how that goes. I really need to go get some water. We're just hanging out, watching the Globex open. Well, I guess it's been open over an hour now. I had tried to get into this trade to see it just continue down, but I noticed all the consolidation and I decided to get it out just last minute before it struck right through VWAP, which was great. Fantastic. I didn't get this trade into my broker, but I'm going to see if it plays out anyway. I don't even think I actually would have gotten it because I really would have set up for a breakthrough maybe right here, but this would have been a very nice conservative kind of retest idea. I doubt it would have even filled. But curious to see if it plays out because it looks like it should. It looks like it should. I don't think I want it if it comes all the way back down here, though. I mean, this looks like it could just create a nice little bull flag, maybe? We'll see. Let me scoot this over so we can see the volume. 4,500 kilobits. 4,500 streaming. Gonna try to adjust this bit rate and see what happens. Did that work? Maybe. Is anyone else trading the Globex hours this evening or morning? I mean, wherever you are. By the way, if you can't see this, this is just the NASDAQ. The trouble with Globex hours is they're just so slow. I'm excited to test out streaming during the day side. But it won't be tomorrow. It'll be another day this week. See how it goes. Ha! Excellent connection now. I'm curious to know who else is hanging out in the channel. I think it's set up just gotta subscribe for 5 minutes and then you can go ahead and chat with me, which would be amazing. I'd love to hear what y'all are up to. But I really do need to go get some water. Otherwise, I feel like I'm just dehydrating myself. So I will be right back. I will jot a little note. My house is tiny. Grabbing some water. Oh, it's so cute. Boom. Oh. Well, working on my skills. So, I'll be right back. I bet you this will finish out what I think should be a good play, but I definitely missed that one. Definitely missed it. Ugh. I'll just listen to my ringtone. How exciting. Hey! Look at that. Reached target. Missed a call from my mom. I guess I'll call her back real quick. Y'all can just listen to that. That'll be fun, huh? But, got my water. So that's always positive.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what's going on there? How come you don't pull up?
Well, Dad called the other day.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you get those things you sent?
No, it looks like some weird mix-up happened, so we'll see what happens.
The notebooks never came?
Yeah, sometimes the post office has a weird time, and it doesn't happen very often, but every once in a while.
Oh, but it's been a while. It's been a while since you sent those.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, you all doing okay?
Yeah?
How about Catherine? Is he back?
Yeah, school started last week.
Oh, did? Oh, okay. I was gonna ask Daddy to send you an extra 100 for her for the start of the school. Okay, so keep an eye on that on your account. I don't know how to transfer the money to you.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So how's Katie?
Good?
She's okay. She's gonna continue with her stuff with the Texas Tech.
Yeah?
Be online. Oh, okay. How about you? How's your job?
It's alright. Might change some stuff in a little while, but it might take a few months, so we'll see.
Like what? Change like what?
Change where I'm working?
At the same company?
No. Different company, but we'll see.
Well, doesn't that affect your benefits from one company to the other?
Well, yeah, but sometimes you gotta change it up.
Well, okay. Well, I guess you know what you're doing, right?
Does anyone really know what they're doing, though?
No, you. Talking about you know what you're doing.
Well, I hope so.
As long as you know what you're doing. Okay. Well, I just wanted to see how you're doing because we haven't Zoom for 2 weeks, and I'm glad that Kathy has that Zooming thing, and we get to see you on the Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
And now we haven't Zoom for 2 weeks, and so I just wanted to kind of hear your voice. So everything okay? I'm glad everything is all right, and
Yeah.
Daddy and I are both busy with, we're still doing water aerobics and staying busy as always.
Cool.
Okay, I'll let you go. I love you then.
Alright, love you too.
Okay, say hello to Katie and Catherine. If Catherine has to buy something, we're sending her $100 and you'll loan me 100 so she can get it.
Okay.
That will send you the money, okay? Tell her that it's from us.
Okay.
Is she there?
Yeah, she's like watching some stuff.
Oh, can I talk to her for a minute?
Yeah, let me go get her.
Yeah, okay. It won't take long. It won't take very long.
Let me see. goodness. I'm back. How exciting. All right, let's see. We missed the long, so we are now looking for a short. Or at least I am. I might be wrong, but I'm just trying to play the S curves. That is the goal here. Did my music take a nap? Looks like it did. I really need to figure out how to get this on a repeat. Repeat. There we go. Well, maybe that worked. All right. Here's the thing. So, I'm in Mountain Standard Time. It is 5:18. I guess not really. It's 5:19, but this candle. And going into the what opens here? The Asian Open? Japan, South Korea, their markets open at 6 for me, and that is usually a bullish open, so I don't love the idea of going short here. Even though, I mean, this could be kind of forming like a nice little double top. I don't even know where to draw a trend line from here, really. I feel like it's just falling without me, which is fine. It's fine. We're not really near any pivot points. I have some lines drawn out for that. Not really near anything. Nice bounce off of VWAP, perhaps? We'll see. I mean, initially, looks lovely. So, I guess I'll just talk about my day so far. A pretty chill morning. I got to wake up and lay in bed for a long time. I like to reference this as my horizontal time usually because I'm awake. So I'm not like laying in bed doing nothing. I'm just in a horizontal position. But I got to do that for a while and think about what my day would look like. The one thing I didn't do so far that it would be good if I did it is updated some websites. Whoops. So maybe I'll do that while we watch these candles move ever quite so gently across the screen. So what I'm thinking is, you know, if we get to 5:30 Mountain Standard Time, and we're still just kind of channeling about, I'll take the bet, the usual, that the Asian Open, or specifically Japan and South Korea, is bullish, or at least the lead up to it. And so after this kind of time right here, I'll start looking for a long, and we'll see if we can find something that works. If not, I'm gonna try my best to just kind of hang tight and not force anything. That's always such a struggle, I find. I like to try and fit pieces in that don't work just because I feel weird when I'm not taking a trade, but hey, we all have things to learn and grow on. So we got that line for that 30-minute line that I'm looking for while we're waiting for the open. And then I'll probably hang tight for a minute while we see how that's gonna look. Visual. Asian Open. The middle, right? Nah, let's do the top. Oh. Bottom? That looks okay. Cool. Anyway, so I have this trend line that I just kind of started. It's not really following anything just quite yet, but we can kind of start to move it. So what I'm looking for, I can type that, looking for 3 touch points. Trend line. To trigger a trade. Cancel. No trading view. Looking. There we go. That looks like a sort of acceptable. Okay. Oh, so we didn't get 3. What I mean by that, right? So we didn't get 3 touch points here. You know, it got close. It got close, but not quite close enough to, for me, not quite. Anyway, so that means we gotta move that there to wait for that trend line to be acceptable to trigger a trade. That's kind of what I'm looking for tonight, and in most Globex sessions, unless I see a big channel, then I might change my mind, or a really big move, and then I might do something impulsive. Try not to do impulsive things, but it happens occasionally. Apologies, the mic kind of inverted itself if that audio got a little funky there for a bit. Well, the child would like to get Microsoft Excel on their phone. How thrilling. Whoa, that is a big bear candle. Look at you. Just watching candles. It's like watching paint dry. Maybe, I mean, I don't really watch paint dry either, but you know, this could be a double top. See? Here's the retest. Whoop. We'll see. See what happens. Probably nothing, but potentially something. Ooh. Does this make me draw a better looking double top? Yes. Double top. And the retest. I wonder if there has to be an arrow on there. Oh. Normal? Oh, nice. Nice, nice. So, maybe it'll do that, and then even though I'll be looking for a long, it won't make sense. But for now, here's the trend. Still nothing considered to make a 3-point trend line here. Solidly, we have kind of like 2 points, sort of. It's not even that pretty, really. Not that it has to be pretty, but I like them to be pretty. I got a nice fresh tortilla. Well, I mean, fresh from probably sometime this morning. Maybe, I don't know. It was purchased at the farmer's market today. It smells great, but I put a peppermint in my mouth, so I have to wait for that to finish. So I'm chewing it a little bit. I apologize if that's terrible. Nom nom nom. Nice indecision candle. Hello, hello. I am chewing a peppermint and just watching this very slow Globex hour, which, I mean, it's the open. The Globex open. Like, of course it's slow moving. You know, I'm complaining about literally what it's supposed to look like, so I don't know what that's supposed to mean. But here's to say, what I was seeing here is this nice little double top, and it could be a continuation downward. However, the Asian Open, which happens at 6 o'clock for me, Mountain Standard, usually we have a nice little bull run into the Open. So I was thinking, if it seems reasonable, I could look for some sort of bullish trade into the Open. But with that kind of like double top and retest that I saw there, right? Double top, retest, and it could just continue down. This was an indecision candle. I'm going to actually delete this vertical line now. And I might have created like a billion vertical lines there. So it might take me a second. I am frustrated by you. Bajillion vertical lines that I created. Oh my gosh. I must have created a billion. But I don't... Oh, sweet. There we go. Alright, so we got some good volume. This nice kind of almost a full-on lightsaber-y doom candle. But this is a nice hammer, some good volume. You know, not amazing, but a little bit. A little more. Looks like kind of the average volume, but let's see. So right now we're under the 10 EMA, the 20 EMA, bouncing around this VWAP line as well. I've been trying to draw out a trend line. A bearish trend line so that I can get into a bullish trade. The idea is that when you have a trend line with at least 3 touch points, once you break that, you should be able to get into a trade after that. In the opposite direction. But it sure does take forever sometimes. So I bring snacks. Sometimes I take phone calls. But like I had mentioned earlier, I should probably like update a website that I need to update. Just bounce around over there. I mean, what if it does just follow my little path down? Like, that'd be cool. You know, other than the fact that that's not what I'm looking for, so I wouldn't have taken the trade, but maybe I should listen to my other analysis. I don't know. I mean, really, we can throw on some volume profile. Yeah, we're just hanging out at this value area. Just chilling, which is great. But there's not really anything to take. We're just gonna sit here and build this up. Boop, 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 boop. Dang you, trendline. You know what? Maybe it comes down to test this like value area low before bouncing out of it. Or it could break it and then just continue downward, because I mean, we'll just take a look at the daily. We gotta turn off some things. Gotta turn this off. Boop. Boop. You know, realistically, whoa. Look at this weird little area of resistance. That's interesting. But, yeah, I mean, like, this whole area looks like a nice point of contention. But most recently, right here, looks like we're kind of bumping into that area. Although, we closed nice and frickin' high. You know, gently. A gentle high above that. So sure, there could be a continuation, but absolutely I could see us just peek up and be like, boop, come back down, little baby. Well, let's see how we're doing. Let me turn on all the little things I had on, the indicators. And we'll see where we're at. So far away from everything. Alright. Good enough. Here we go. So many colors on here. Kind of looks fun. Still hungry. But I guess I can make dinner soon. Just gotta choose between some meals. I'm just been lazy the last couple weeks, so we just have some nice little HelloFresh boxes. So I have 2 marginally acceptable meals that I can eat. One of them is just let's see, shipping soon. Now I want to see the ones that I had. My menu, maybe. Yeah. Sheet pan Monterey Jack unfried chicken, which is basically chicken with some breading on it, and it looks like it's intended to have some cheese, but I'm not going to put the cheese on there because I can't eat dairy. And some potatoes and carrots to just roast along with that chicken. Not really that exciting. This is an order that I failed to actually change the order that came in. But the other option is some Thai ginger curry with creamy coconut veggies, peanuts, and lime rice, which actually that's a vegetarian dish, which might be really amazing to have because I have eaten 3 hot dogs and 2 hamburgers in the last 24 hours or something like this. I also had some chicken teriyaki and like very tiny amounts of leftover chicken teriyaki and poke bowl with some raw tuna. So maybe some more vegetables. Thai ginger curry. Looks like it could be good. It just has some rice on it. So probably two pans. Ooh, I should tell the child to put some dishes away, but oh, we're still not gonna get 3 touches unless this reverses here. Reverse, little baby, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Anyways. No, that's not gonna reverse. Boom. Little turd. Oh, trend line. You are not being fun here. Alright, so I usually draw these trend lines to last for just an hour. So we'll just place that for the time length it can last. I'm going to be right back to tell the teenager to put some dishes away. And burp, because burping is important. Hey there, little widow. Oi. Dang, look at that. Quick tap of VWAP and down she goes. Well, I mean, still not down far enough to retest that value area low there, but it's got time. It's got time. Oh, get it. Go tag it. I mean, am I tempted to just hang an order down there? Yeah. But, I mean, really, it can all just reverse right back up, so we'll just hang tight. And a nice pretty little hammer, but not tons of volume either. Oh. Let's go look at my calendar for the week. Boy, oh boy. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I'm really excited. I get to meet up with a friend who's a CPA, and I can ask him all sorts of questions. Gonna be awesome. Because we're opening some businesses over here. Go see what we learn. So Thursday at 1:30 I will be heading to a unofficial meeting. Ugh. If you break that hammer though, like there was a little bit of volume on that. Like if you break that, it just feels like downhill. I mean, let's see if we get a solid close, but you know, we're so close to this open now. Like what do we have? 12 minutes. You know, I don't think I'm gonna do anything. Just gonna get excited about doing something and have literally nothing happen. So Thursday, 1:30. There we go. Beautiful. Test ballet. Nice. Skip. Beautiful. Ooh, look at this little. I don't know. 48. How many? 48. Okay. 45 seconds left on the candle. Is it gonna break? But yeah, I mean, like, I guess it could break it, even though this was a nice hammer. It wasn't, like, amazing. It did have a little bit of, like, extra volume, but not much. I mean, this is just kind of your average volume for the last 21 bars, it looks like. Right? Yeah. So look at that, it broke it. Maybe it's a trap. Make it a trap. It's a trap. Well, no, it's just kind of a giant candle, I guess. It's not that big, but it's bigger than the other candles. Still, haven't come down to here. I mean, 550. Oh. Come on. Come and touch it. Literally for no reason other than I would like it to. Just because it hasn't been touched in a while, you know. Last time it was touched was 433. Mountain Standard. Let me close those. Really, yeah, no, I'm not gonna take any trades until it's, you know, probably after at least 10 minutes into the open, and honestly, I should probably also make some dinner. Can y'all hear that? Throwing stuff in my trash. Maybe. Guess we'll find out. Which, no big deal. I threw something in my trash can. Doing some maintenance on my computer. Which is always good. It's always good. Ooh, are you gonna have a close below? Because that could be interesting. Ooh. Apologies, I just want to see what else is up on my screens. Sometimes I play board games. So I got a move to make. Place goods on your feast board. Alright. Oh. Boy, oh boy. Save. Save and done. Got a text message. Okay. If you're testing again, then 90 days doesn't make sense unless experiencing symptoms again, and may have gotten another strain. So many things going on. All right. So we see this nice kind of full expansion of the value area high, value area low, and maybe we'll bounce out from here, or maybe we'll continue down. Let's just see how this opens. And we got 2 minutes till open on on my end. I know you guys are experiencing a little bit of delay. Woo! Alright. Some good volume going into this open. Look at that. Ooh. Alright, new candle. Hey, open. Let's see. Yeah. I was definitely tempted to just grab that. Boo boo. But hey, I did not, because that would just be a bit on the impulsive side. Boom. Had I taken an impulsive move, I would have gotten 10 points there, but hey, I did not, which I'm fine with. It's a good choice. This little bear trend feels like, maybe it's better drawn right there. But then if we wanted to take a long based off of that, You know, could we do it? And that's not too bad. Yeah, we could do that. $46.75 would be maybe like the coolest. Oh, that's cool. Apologies, my glasses just hit my mic. There we go. I'm just gonna put it out there for 46 and see if we get tagged. Oh, it appears that I am in on my broker account. We'll see. I mean, this is a bit of a ways, but I mean, if I really was worried, which my account's not in a great spot. It's not in a terrible spot, but it's not great. I guess I could just put my target there, 5250. You know, not a full R, but I might prefer a win than nothing, so let's give it a try. We're gonna have to fight that 10 EMA, but that's okay. That is okay. Google. What is my password? That is not the direction I would like you to go. But say Livy. It still has some time. Yeah, it's just gotta battle that 10 and then, you know, if it can get over, if it can close over this 10 EMA at some point in the next 10 minutes or so, like, I feel very solid that it'll get up to here. Unless the view up drops pretty significantly. Or this is Kama. But anyways, we'll see. If not, like, maybe I'll reduce some of my risk down to right here, but we'll see. We'll see. Definitely got to wait it out a little bit. Potentially. We're not there yet. Let's see. Let's give it a time. We've been in this trade Not since 6. I think it was like really right here that we got in there. So 3-minute candles. I want to wait like a little bit before I move anything, you know, give it a full chance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once we get to here, we will allow a little movement of the stop, but until then, we'll let it fly, or not. Sorry, I just like to see what the heck is open on my screen, and that forces all the other pages to do that too, so. Look at that. In theory, I've planted 44 trees. Samada. Trash. 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 Cool. Well, this isn't looking too good. But patience. We gotta let the candles close. Which is always awful. Because alternatively, this could just be a double bottom. It could be. Let's see. Let's just draw it and see how it goes. Yeah? Something like this? that color's terrible. We will see. You gotta close back above this value area low. Give it a little bit of chance and still gotta close above that 10 EMA. Chillin', chillin', chillin'. Anyways, it looks like I'm gonna go check out what's up for dinner tonight and we'll see what happens. Very solidly might just get stopped out, or maybe I'll at least have the opportunity to kind of raise my stop up, but I guess that's it for tonight. I'll be back up on one of these mornings. Woo! Come on. And we'll check out a dayside together. That'll be really lovely. Actually, I'm gonna wait. We'll wait the 45 seconds to see how this candle closes. Because, you know, if it closes something like this, that would be... Wow. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Like, just go... Alright, well, we had a nice punch through. So, if we can get a close above the neckline, like, holy moly. 20 seconds? Come on. Just push. Push. Alright, well, fine. I mean, like, I don't know. That makes me feel a little better. I feel a little better about this. Just go tag my little target right there, right? Just VWAP, Gamma, point of control, like, oh, let's go for it. But we will see. Well, I guess you can check on it some other time, because I'm gonna go ahead and see what's up for dinner and such. Otherwise, you all have a lovely day and good luck with your trading.